Hi there, SoCal REI people. I'm sorry I couldn't be there tonight, but I can still get you some great information. So, let's see. Let me tell you a little bit about myself so you know who you're listening to or watching. My name is Teresa Tims. I'm president of TDR Mortgage in Upland, California. I own a mortgage and real estate company. I specialize in FHA, VA, conventional residential home loans, and I've been originating in California since 1998. I'm very savvy at finding creative solutions to closing home loans through relationships with key investors and understanding guidelines. I want to give you a market update today. I'm also going to be sharing with you refinance opportunities under the Harp 2.0 program that may be ending soon. Also give you some information on VA where you can own 2 VA loans. Not a lot of people know about that. And then also talk a little bit about record affordability rates in California. So let's start off with the market update. Today on an FHA loan, you can secure that at about 3.25% with 0 points. 3% is going to run you a couple of points. So depending on the loan amount, sometimes points make sense, sometimes they don't. Conventional 30-year fixed is at 3.25. That's a pretty incredible rate given that all you need is about 10% equity or 10% down payment, a 700 credit score, and that's going to cost you a couple of points. Conventional 15-year is at just this ridiculous rate of 2.75, and that's at big fat 0 points. The Harp 2.0 program is the Housing Assistance Relief Program, and it's available to persons who are upside down. One of the big benefits about this program is that you can refinance upside down with no mortgage insurance. And right now we're doing most people in the high 3s, some in the low 4s, depending on their equity position. So if you had a home loan that was originated prior to 2009 and it's owned by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac, then you could save a whole ton of money and not even know it. And these loans aren't underwritten traditionally. So when you think about income to qualify and things like that, it's kind of out the door. So even if you think you may not qualify, you might, and you just don't even know it. So don't let this great opportunity slip through your fingers because it may be ending at the end of the year. Another really interesting thing that a lot of people don't know is on VA loans. Did you know that you can have more than one VA loan? We have a guy right now that has an existing VA home that he will be using as his departure residence, and he'll be renting that out. And then he's going to be purchasing a second home with his VA eligibility. It really comes down to if you're a veteran and you're not sure whether or not you qualify for another property, you need to contact the Veterans Administration and find out how much is left on your eligibility. The way it works is our veteran, he qualified for up to 217 with 0 down. And if he goes over that 217 loan amount, he has to come up with 25% of the difference. So 217 minus 250 purchase price. Actually, it was 243 purchase price. It came out to about a little under 3% that he needed to get into this home, which, VA loans are no monthly mortgage insurance. So it's a really great opportunity for this young guy to up the ante and have 2 rental properties now instead of just 1. And he wouldn't have qualified FHA because FHA, to use rental income, you need to have more than 25% equity to be able to pull that off. And with VA, you don't. So anyway, it's a really, really neat thing. And so if you have any friends that are veterans and they think they can't turn around and buy another house using their VA financing, then you need to tell them they need to pick up the phone and call me so I can figure out how we can get them into a home. Another thing that I wanted to share with you all is that affordability is truly at a record high with the home prices and the interest rates. The affordability is comparable to like the early 2000s, 2000, 2002, right in there, and which, as you all remember, was an incredible time to purchase. So, now is the time for you to empower and encourage and help your friends and family take advantage of this opportunity that's going to secure their financial future. One of the ways that you could give them advice, and this is something that a lot of people really don't know either, is that, if you come up with $3 or $4 grand and you could afford a rental payment or a house payment of $1,200 to $1,700, then we can truly help you get into a home. So if you could, please pass that along to your friends and family. And that's really what it's all about, is helping each other out. And sometimes people don't know who to trust or don't know exactly how to get everything started, but at some point you just got to jump in. I would ask you all who has any questions, but this is a video, so we're not going to do that. So I wanted to say thank you all and have a good night, and thanks, Erin, for bringing everybody out and putting on such a great event. You all have a good one.